I have held a dying bird in my hands, felt its heartbeat drum triple time against my palm, let the slow drop of its blood congeal on my fingers. Mostly my eyes could not take in the intense fragility of a wild thing that was wounded. And that for 20 minutes, I was custodian of this miracle. Blowing softly on its face, I whisper prayers, not only for the bird, for myself, but also for you, that we may know death and our own annihilation with as much care, and that somebody will hold us in their palms, feel our heartbeat slow down, and recognize our own wildness. Even though a deathbed with sheets often pretends to civilize. If there is lesson in everything, then watching this creature die is a remembrance of the impermanence of all things, even ourselves, especially ourselves in a world like this, where death and life seem to be given and taken like tea. Until all deaths are sanctified, until all heartbeats are valued as the greatest prize. Until then, we are sometimes allowed to hold a dying, wild thing in our hands.